Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Dr. Rhythm DR-670. I just got this recently and I thought I'd do an unboxing for you guys. So this DR-670 does not come with a power adapter. You would have to buy an external power adapter. But let's get on. So as we get open with it, as you can see, it comes with 6 batteries and the actual device itself. It is also battery powered. So here's your batteries over here, and here is your actual device. Let's get it out and I'll show you everything about it. Alright, so here's your Dr. Rhythm right over here, and as you can see at the back, we have in and out MIDI ports. We have a spot for foot switch. You have your left and right output. You can even plug a pair of headphones into it. You have your volume, which you can adjust as you wish. On off switch, and here is your 9V 200 milliamps output power. You must use a Boss PSA adapter. Alright, so rather use a PSA adapter to get it sorted out 100%. Otherwise, this is your little device, and let's get into it. So as you can see, we've got it plugged in now, so let's give just 1 or 2 beats. So you can play a whole bunch of different things from Crash. And you also have bass function. There's a lot of fun to play with it and to get things done. They have pre-recorded settings, as you can see. If I go all the way to number 1, right, you can just say start. They give you your pre-recorded beats. Then if you were to look at number 2 and play. And as you can see, they give you a whole bunch of different things, and they also give you stuff that you can edit out to make your own. These are just a few things that I've been messing around with, and here we go. As you can see, it's a lot of fun, and you can mess around with things. And even my brother, he got on it today earlier, and as you can see, he made up something like this with one of the songs. So let's give it a shot. Excuse the dog. So how you made something like that, I'll show you now. If I go to an empty setting, let's go to 209. So they give you 200 tracks and of loops, of beat loops that you can mess around with, that you can sample into your other songs and that. And they also give you choices from 201 and up to make your own beats. And how you made something like that, I was just busy messing around with. Busy playing with these guys, yeah. So let me make a song, let me make a track for you, and let me show you how I do it. Let's go. Alright, so let's go over here. As we say, to make your own pattern, to start with the beat in it, you say Shift, Pattern, Edit, right? And then from there you would just say record and start, and then it would give you a countdown with the metronome all the time. Give you beats of 4. I'm not too sure if you can see it like there you go. Alright. And the thing is really awesome. So if I just say Shift and then scale, then I can bring it down to 8 beats instead of 16. That goes all the way up to 32, and you can have a function to switch it off if you want. Alright, let's give it a shot. Now if I want to edit in something a little bit higher, then I say Shift Scale and I go up to 16. Alright, then we go. That's just a little bit of an example. I'm gonna make something else. We go over here with some bass notes in. We go in. Let's try this. And then if you want to delete something, like say if I don't like that, I just say Shift Delete and hold down these two here, and it'll delete everything for you. So it's a really awesome little device. You can make a whole bunch of different notes, sounds, record everything you want, and you can have a blast with this. And then you go down to the drums, 2 sets of drums. Right, and then you have a roll over here. So if I want to roll on the toms, and the flam is like just a double hit. So you can really go wild with this thing. It's really awesome. It's a load of fun, and I would really, encourage you guys to check this out. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers for now.